What kind of factory builds a truck that refuses to be painted, exposes every flaw, and turns stainless steel into body armor? What kind of production line forces engineers to rethink metal itself instead of simply reshaping it? And how does Tesla turn the polarizing Tesla Cybertruck into a machine that can be built again and again and again at scale? The answers lie deep inside Gigafactory Texas, where Cybertruck production looks less like traditional car manufacturing and more like an industrial experiment running at full speed. So let's dive in. The Cybertruck is produced at Tesla's Gigafactory Texas in Austin, one of the most advanced vehicle factories in the world. Unlike conventional auto plants that rely on decades-old linear assembly logic, this factory was designed from the ground up for automation, flexibility, and massive integration. Vehicles do not simply move forward step by step on a single line. Instead, Cybertruck production flows through multiple specialized zones that operate in parallel, constantly feeding one another with parts, sub-assemblies, and data. The result feels more like a living industrial system than a classic assembly line. Everything begins when raw materials enter the facility, and this is where the Cybertruck immediately breaks with tradition. Most pickup trucks rely on painted mild steel or aluminum body panels that can be visually corrected later. Cybertruck does the opposite by using thick, unpainted stainless steel as its exterior skin. Tesla has described this material as a custom high-strength stainless alloy chosen for durability and corrosion resistance. That choice reshapes the entire factory workflow because stainless steel is harder to form, less forgiving to damage, and brutally honest about mistakes. If a panel is scratched or warped, there is no paint layer to hide it later. Before any shaping begins, the stainless steel sheets are prepared and handled with extreme care. In a normal vehicle factory, minor cosmetic flaws are acceptable at this stage because paint will cover them later. In the Cybertruck factory, there is no such safety net because the surface you see is the final surface. Panels must leave the forming process looking finished and clean, with no room for touch-ups or visual corrections. This forces Tesla to rely on protective films, controlled storage systems, and carefully programmed robotic handling that minimizes unnecessary contact. In practice, the factory treats these truck panels more like smartphone housings than traditional automotive parts, where surface perfection is expected rather than optional. Shaping the stainless steel panels is one of the most unconventional stages of Cybertruck manufacturing. Traditional automotive stamping uses cold presses and massive dies to slam metal into shape with brute force. Stainless steel at Cybertruck thickness does not behave well under that abuse, resisting deformation and reacting unpredictably under extreme stress. It can crack or warp under forces that ordinary steel tolerates easily, turning standard methods into costly failures. To overcome this, Tesla uses laser cutting to precisely shape flat blanks before forming. Lasers allow exact control over geometry, reducing internal stress, and giving engineers far more control over how the metal behaves later in the process. Once the panels are cut, many go through a hot forming process that temporarily changes the rules of physics. By carefully applying heat, Tesla softens the stainless steel just enough to bend it into the sharp angular surfaces that define the Cybertruck's design. This step is critical because those flat planes and crisp edges are not just styling choices, they are structural and visual signatures. When the metal cools, it hardens again, locking the shape permanently in place. Any error at this stage becomes a permanent visual scar, which is why precision here is unforgiving. While the exterior panels are being formed, another major operation unfolds elsewhere in the factory. Tesla uses enormous casting machines, commonly called Giga presses, to produce large aluminum structural components as single pieces. Instead of welding together hundreds of smaller stamped parts, Tesla replaces them with just a few massive castings. This approach dramatically reduces part count, shortens assembly time, and improves consistency across vehicles. These cast components are trimmed, machined, and inspected before becoming the backbone of the Cybertruck's structure. The Cybertruck's body structure comes together in a way that differs sharply from traditional body-in-white assembly. In most vehicles, the exterior panels are largely cosmetic skins attached to a hidden steel skeleton that carries the real structural load. With Cybertruck, the stainless exterior itself becomes a defining structural and visual element, meaning the body is both armor and identity at the same time. That makes alignment absolutely critical because reflections on stainless steel instantly reveal even the smallest imperfections. Robotic systems position and secure major components with extreme precision, guided by sensors and calibrated fixtures, because there is no paint or trim to hide mistakes later. In this design, geometry is not just engineering, it is reputation. One of the most important moments in the factory is when the Cybertruck receives its battery pack, a step that fundamentally defines how the vehicle behaves on the road. The truck is closely linked to Tesla's 4680 battery program, and Gigafactory Texas plays a central role in producing both the cells and the packs that power it. Tesla's structural battery philosophy means the pack is no longer just an energy container bolted underneath the vehicle. It becomes part of the vehicle's structure itself, acting as a load-bearing component that increases rigidity and reduces unnecessary mass. The battery pack effectively forms the floor of the truck, tying the front and rear structures together. This demands near-perfect dimensional accuracy because even small mismatches between the body and pack could compromise strength, safety, or long-term durability. The moment when the body is joined with the battery pack and drive units is known in manufacturing as the marriage, and it is one of the most dramatic transitions in the entire build process. This is when the Cybertruck stops being a collection of parts and becomes a functioning vehicle with purpose. Robotic systems carefully lower the body onto the rolling chassis, using alignment pins, sensors, and program movements to ensure everything meets within extremely tight tolerances. Fasteners are torqued to exact specifications, locking the structure together permanently. From this moment forward, the Cybertruck can move under its own power, transforming from an industrial assembly into a machine that is finally alive. Final assembly is where the Cybertruck begins to feel human. Seats, dashboards, wiring harnesses, glass, seals, and interior trim are installed in a carefully choreographed sequence that balances speed with precision. This phase blends automation with skilled human labor, especially for tasks that require flexibility, visual judgment, and tactile feedback. Because the Cybertruck's design is visually unforgiving, even small misalignments in glass or trim stand out immediately under factory lighting. Anything that looks even slightly wrong must be corrected on the spot, because customers will notice it the moment they walk up to the vehicle. Once mechanical assembly is complete, the Cybertruck enters its digital phase, where software becomes just as important as steel and bolts. Software integration and calibration ensure that cameras, sensors, steering systems, and braking components all communicate correctly and respond as intended. Modern Teslas rely heavily on software to manage performance, safety, and driver assistance features in real time. A Cybertruck may look finished on the outside, but it cannot leave the factory until its systems fully understand their own behavior, orientation, and environment as a unified whole. Before delivery, every Cybertruck passes through end-of-line testing designed to expose flaws before customers ever see them. The truck is checked for water leaks, electrical faults, braking performance, alignment accuracy, and unusual noises that could signal deeper issues. Visual inspections under harsh lighting are especially important because stainless steel reflects imperfections that paint would normally hide. Quality control here is not just about safety, it is about protecting the visual identity and reputation of the vehicle itself. By 2025, Cybertruck manufacturing represents one of the most ambitious attempts to rethink how vehicles are built at scale. Tesla did not simply design a futuristic truck and hope factories would adapt to it. Instead, it redesigned the factory around new materials, new geometry, and entirely new production logic. The result is a manufacturing system that looks strange, demanding, and controversial, but undeniably real and impossible for the industry to ignore. The Cybertruck proves that radical design doesn't just change how a vehicle looks. It forces factories, robots, and even metal itself to evolve. Whether you admire it or question it, this truck pushed manufacturing into uncomfortable new territory. If you enjoy deep dives like this video and want to understand how the world's most extreme machines are actually made, like and subscribe, and stay curious.